Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you just saw, I just ended the last clip for my Takedown Christmas video. So this is now going to be a quick clean with me Sunday reset because I start a new job on Monday, tomorrow. So I think this is a good time, as good as any, to refresh the space, get it up, get it into a spot where I'm happy with it, and yeah, go from there. So let's get this tidied up. It's beautiful. Thanks so much for watching, friends. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see the next one, and I'll see you guys around. Bye.